Hey guys, welcome to another session on WordPress web development. In this session, I'm going to tell you what are the topics exactly we are going to learn in this course. Completely, we are having 7 modules, including with the subtopics, and we'll see one by one. Module number 1, Content Management System. In this module, we are going to see what are CMS and WordPress, and advantages and disadvantages of WordPress, and how we can download the WordPress files. And coming to module number 2, how we can set up a local server, like how to download a local server software and how to create a local server. We are going to see these two topics in module number 2. It's completely about setting up a local server. And coming to module number 3, it is completely installation of the downloaded WordPress. Okay, so in this we are going to see about how to create a database and how to move our WordPress files to database. It means that how to install WordPress, and then understanding basic WordPress dashboard. And in module number 4, we can see how we can download and install the free template that are available in WordPress libraries, and then how we can customize the template. Customize is nothing but how we can edit the template according to our assumptions, and then how to create a menu and how we can upload a logo to the header, the basic header setup like changing the text colors and it all. And then we are going to see what are all the widgets that are available with the theme, with the template, and then how we can customize that widgets. And then finally we are going to import the demo content, like we are going to install the demo content to that respective template. And then the module number 5 is understanding plugins and installing plugins. So in module number 5, we are going to see what does plugin means and how to install a plugin and where we can find the plugins, and the ways to install the plugins. And then finally we are going to install the basic plugins, and we are going to set up a contact forms and like social share buttons, etc. We'll see one by one there itself in that video itself. And then coming to module number 6, it is creation of posts and pages. And in this module we are going to see how to create a page and how to create a post. And then after, we are going to install a plugin, so we can create a pages with there are multiple number of plugins that are useful to create a pages and posts. And I will show you by installing one plugin, one popular plugin, and then we'll create a page and post with by using that plugin. We'll see in that video. And then how to make a website responsive, like we'll see how what does the term responsive mean and in that video itself. And then basic on page and off page SEO discussion. It is completely not belonging to this topic, but I'll be explaining you. And then the 7th module contains domain and hosting. In this module we are going to discuss what are domain and hosting, and then how we can buy domain and hosting, what are all the best domain and hosting providers. We'll see each and every domain provider, and we'll see each and every domain and hosting speeds also. I will suggest you a few more domain and hosting providers so that you can proceed by purchasing the things. So in addition to these 7 modules, you will be getting a bonus of 5 more videos that are definitely useful in designing a website. So here we can see how to check the technology stack of any website and how to download and install premium template and plugins. Like premium template and premium plugins, it means like the templates and plugins are paid. You have to pay some money to get that template and plugin, but I'll show you how to install those freely, and then how to design free logo for your brand, and how to check the website speed and SEO metrics, and then useful CSS tricks for WordPress websites, and then finally the final words, the conclusion of the video. And that's all about the entire session guys, and all the best and happy learning. Thank you.